everyone, let's glue book. In my magazine only glue book. I have my scissors, I have my glue, I have my cutter parts that we harvested in a previous video, and I'm ready to go now. I'm doing a voiceover because in this session, I really didn't feel like talking, but I really felt like gluing. I have had a ball, let me tell you, gluing down all these fun images. Isn't it cute? I actually have a video with this one that I didn't show yet because I pushed the what do you call it? I pushed the notebook out of view. So I don't know. It's now almost Christmas time. You know, I don't know if I'm going to show it, and it's a shame because it's a half hour, but it is what it is. Now this video here is a half hour, but I'm not talking in it because I didn't feel like talking, but I did feel like gluing. Because I really did have a ball playing with these magazines that I have. And I'm ready to, I don't think I showed in this video, I'm ready to recycle the Good Housekeeping because I pretty much used every bit of that. So I'm ready to recycle that one. This one that I'm looking through here, I really don't think I used in this one. Yeah, I'm getting ready to tear this up. And I kind of wish I didn't because it kind of took just took it in another direction, and I wasn't really thrilled as I was gluing. I really wish I would have started with another magazine, to be honest. You can see I've got a lot that I've cut up. And then I'm probably thinking, let's get gluing, right? Let's get gluing. So what I'm going to do in this video is pretty much going to be an ASMR glue book session. Because I'm going to stop talking in a few minutes because I don't have anything to say right now. Y'all know, you never know what you're going to get with the Micki's Arts and Crafts. Sometimes I am just talking. Sometimes I don't think I'm going to talk and I ended up talking. Then sometimes I just don't talk at all. I just don't have anything to say. I just don't. It was a lot on my mind when I was doing this layout, and right now it's still a lot on my mind. You know, as they say, life be lifing, and and I'm really introspective when when I have life's I don't do much talking, you know. And yeah, I wish I would have started this page but with a different book. But anyway, because this takes it somewhere. It's okay. This one, I guess, not random items where I have items off my desk. And speaking of random items, I'm gonna have to do a session where I do things from off my desk or other things that I have to glue down so I don't forget how to do that. But I have been just having so much fun doing this kind of freestyle, go with the flow, flip, harvest, and glue that I'm doing here and making good use of the magazines. This takes it on a whole different direction. But this one is more, I guess, random. Just glue for no reason, just random glue booking, because it don't make sense, but it is what it is. I can't even remember. I did this probably last week, and I'm kind of dragging my feet on editing and things. See, I'm trying to ramble, because what's going to happen is I'm going to have to speed this up and then just let you hear the crafting noises, because there's a lot. So I hope everyone is well. It's not yet the holiday season beginning, but if I don't talk to you before, then I hope you have a very nice holiday in this season of being thankful and giving. And so I will talk to you soon. Just enjoy and just play this in the background. It was one time I had this playing in the background. I was doing something else and I couldn't believe how relaxing it was. I would look up and I was like, oh, it was surprisingly kind of relaxing. But if you don't find that relaxing, I'd like to thank you right now for stopping by and commenting and liking it, if you will, even if, this isn't your cup of tea. But I like a good variety. So thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you soon. I'm not going to say goodbye because I'm not leaving yet, y'all. I ain't leaving until the end of the video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Please take the time to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.